Hello everyone, so if your account is public on tracker.gg, then you have come to the right place because in this video I'm going to show you how easy it is to make your Valorant account private on tracker.gg so nobody can see your stats easily. So first off, what you need to do is you'll need to log in to tracker.gg. So just log in with your account here, and once you're done logging in, then you're going to click onto Valorant here, and then you're going to be here, and then you'll see this button, make private. You're just going to click on to make private. Then once you click on to make private, it will ask you if you want to disable access to a Valorant profile. Just click on revoke access. It will make my account private. Then as you can see, now it says profile is now private. So this guys, that's how easy it was to make your Valorant account private on tracker.gg. If you guys found this video helpful, make sure to leave a like, comment and subscribe to the channel, and I'll see you in my next video. Peace.